Hey guys, Rick from Los Angeles. It's May 28th and it's 6:30 in the afternoon. It's Thursday. I'm looking north. There's west. Sun's starting to set. No airplane trails, but there is a white haze out over the ocean, and I can see that coming in. And when I go walk my dog or go for a bike ride, I guarantee you that stuff comes rolling in like fog. And it's probably from the bunker fuel ships. And if you haven't looked up bunker fuel, you probably should. Okay, there's south. There's the moon. Okay. We never went there. East, north, west, south, and there's that thing that they said they went to when what was I, 9 years old, and now they're going back in 2024. They're going to go back to the moon. That's great. You know what's even better? We gave NASA, that we've been giving $53 million a day to for as long as I can remember, we gave it to Elon Musk. What a nice present. Okay, there you go folks. That's my video for today.